So hello guys, our today's tutorial is on how to draw a corner rectangle in Solidworks. So firstly go to our parts, then as per our regular procedure select all the planes and click on show. Then I just wanted to draw a rectangle or the corner rectangle on the front plane, so I am selecting here the front plane and click on show or sketch. Then go to the sketcher workbench and select the corner rectangle. Yes, I am selecting here the origin for the corner rectangle for the single point, and I just wanted to draw another diagonal point. Only you need to draw the two diagonal points which gives you the rectangle. So this is the corner rectangle command. You can also give the dimension to it. So I am selecting here as 150 and for the another point as 1111. It's random, so here you can also say which is fully defined sketch. So simply exit sketch. You can also see here our sketcher line shows the black portion on the front plane. Thank you.